Let's get started and invite our first speaker, Mr. Vikas Shevre, Concord Architects and Interior Designers, Pune. So ladies and gentlemen, it's a fun and a thoughtful style. Let's have a fun round of applause. Please help me welcome our first presenter, Mr. Vikas Shevre.
Projections makes perceptions. Each of us look inside first and see only the kind of world we want to see. And then project that world outside, making it the truth as we see it. We see the world not as it is, but as we are. Good evening, everyone. They say one can speak poetry just by arranging color well. Visual art is an expression through a lens, through a movement, through a stroke of a brush or movement of a body. It's a story narrated by the artist and everyone listening hear it differently. Design is a creative solution to a problem or a condition. The solution can have a form or be a formless. For example, it could be a device that helps you see or pathway that lets you surf through an experience seamlessly. Please be seated on the memory train. Let's go back to simpler times where breaks were not chai sutta, but a halt at the dustbin neatly sharpening our pencils. Please be seated as an art installation in London. There lies a tent by the library where the curtains stay open, welcoming curious minds inside. You will find a movie roll on a standby with painting in line, waiting to be chosen, only to be translated into the sound of music. This interactive pavilion was designed by Wings 11. It translates the language of canvas into music. Features like colors, tones, phase, detection, and time come together on a software designed to create music from art. कितने लोगों को गुलाब जामुन पसंद है? अगर भूख लगी तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Because these are the glittering disco balls at the Estate House in London. This is an example of you choose to see what you want to. Boldness, subtleness, movement, stillness, possibilities and possibilities. It's like a waves crashing the shore, frozen in time. It's like an actor with an intense expression, frozen in time. It's a contrast in itself. It's a ship moving in the ocean and also the waves crashing it. You live in the illusion and appearance of things. There is a reality, but you do not know this. When you understand this, you will see that you are nothing. And being nothing, you are everything. Isn't a space and life similar? Space is a collection of infinite planes, and life is a collection of infinite possibilities. How many dimensions we decide to explore is up to us. Just like the messy room you see here, it's a new art every day. Somewhere down the line, we are forgetting that we beings are a beautiful complex design. While creating outside of ourselves, we are forgetting that our attitudes and ideas are being created inside. To celebrate the idea, the object is absent was made. Like Robin Sharma once said, don't live the life 75 times and call it a life. We are living a cycle of the same daily routine that we do so mechanically. In the process, we forget to celebrate the small joy of everyday experience. It's important to remind people. The process of eating using our hands is a special experience, especially for Indians. Like eating a typical thali, all the rich colors and powerful scents, and designed to engage our senses. It becomes so memorable that it's hard to forget a plate of good food for a day. There are two sides of a coin, two sides of an argument, two sides of a road, but multiple sides to a personality. Our face is the most brilliant example of art. every day brings the different emotions. Our faces are designed to express them sometimes and hide them otherwise. Nature in itself is a complex design that runs smoothly. It has forever been captured by artists to express art. Here, nature is a metaphor. Roof inspired by trees, shelter inspired by caves, nature has been the huge inspiration for designers and artists alike. When the bulbs of our mind glow and current runs through our vein, our body moves to create art and just art. Art is sometimes a lie that makes us see the truth. We might just time to realize it. They say imagination a tool for a creation, but really, isn't the imagination the art of mind? 3 years ago, when I discovered this space, I gazed it for a distance. I walked through, experienced the volume, picturing every detail as through it. It was already there. The art of mind started out to be designed on site. What I had once visualized slowly started taking form. And slowly with time, it started taking the shape of what my mind had once painted. This is my studio in Pune. Finally, as Edgar once said, art is not what you see, but what you make others see. Art can mean something to someone, but the knack to make them see in your perspective. In an art in itself, this was a photograph by Bob Ramsey, and he called it Into the Heaven. Art is an initiator of conversation. Art is a source of inspiration. Art is a design solution. There could be 100 bulbs lighting on in this very room right now. So let's huddle, discuss, and create. Thank you.